In this video, I will be talking about Bitcoin and my significant take profit target and the level where I will be potentially even open a shorting position at on the market. As well, we'll be talking about my exact prediction over the course of the weekend because, yeah, we had another CME close. Where is it heading towards? This and much more will be getting discussed in today's video. As well, I will be giving my prediction on Ethereum right now, so make sure to watch this video till the end. It's going to be a very exciting one, and let me dive right away in towards the imminent short term right now. And of course, my expectation is that on either Sunday afternoon or Monday morning, we're going to trade back at the CME close price. The CME close price is currently at the 21.2k. So if we're going to have a very exciting weekend and we're going to go up, we are expecting in the end of the week, we're going to come down again, and also the other way around. If we're going to fall down from here on, we're expecting that the CME close price is going to act as a magnet, as a level that is going to be dragging the Bitcoin price towards it, right? So that is going to be important to know right now. If we're going to see some positive price action, maybe we want to be looking for some shorting positions over the course of the weekend. And also, if we're going to crash, we want to be looking at some potential long positions. So it is going to be definitely a very exciting weekend we're currently going to look for. And right away into the start of the weekend, we are having a little bit of a pump. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we saw that yesterday the S&P 500 had literally its best ever week since March 2020. And of course, it's a very strong recovery we're currently getting. And hopefully we could continue this recovery because, yeah, this could also just be a rally in a bear market. And that will be ultimately lead towards lower prices again then. So what is going to be important for Bitcoin to look out for right now is maybe to take back these gains, right? Because the S&P 500 pumped very significantly yesterday and Bitcoin was not doing anything basically. So hopefully Bitcoin could still take some territory and back here. However, we are currently still approaching this critical range of resistance like you can see right here, right? So this is going to be a very important level where we do need to be breaking above of. And if we can break above this region right here, we could be looking for more bullish continuations towards higher targets again. So that's going to be important to look for. And of course, on the 4 hourly time frame, we still have a price target from Bitcoin, of course, from that low to high, from the symmetrical triangle breakout, or you could also call it the inverse head and shoulders breakout. We still have got a price target on the actually on the $25,000. But I already announced to you guys out there, and I will say it once again, I will be taking full take profit here on this region on the top side, and it's going to be another 6% move towards the upside, but I am going to take my positions completely out if we do reach the 22.8k, because that is the range high, and that is of course a level I'm a little bit scared of, where Bitcoin maybe potentially can't even break through, of course, right? At least we're going to get some short-term resistance, and if we do break above it, yeah, it's going to be absolutely amazing, but I'm definitely going to take more than 70% out of my trades, and even going to be opening a small short position on this high over here. So that is going to be my strategy right now here, because, yeah, this is, of course, a very important level where we do need to be breaking above of, and in the current trend we are right now in, it is only going to be more likely to see still a rejection from this level, right? So, yeah, I'm not going to go all in with closing all my positions right here. However, I'm going to significantly take some profits right here. And if we break above it, I will be just extend my long position, of course. And I will close my shorting position. It is as simple as that currently right now. Yeah, of course, the inverse head and shoulders basically got the same price target, $25,000. First take profit is definitely going to be the 22.5k towards 22.8k on this market right now. Then also further on looking towards these higher time frames, we can currently see here that we are forming on the 3-day time frame a significant falling wedge on the RSI. And this RSI falling wedge here could be just be breaking out in the coming weeks, days ahead of ourselves. It could be taking for sure a very, very long while. But this is of course currently suggesting we are in a larger time frame consolidation. And as soon as we do break out of this larger time frame consolidation, I am expecting we are going to see a significant amount of rallies getting formed. Only if we do want to be seeing these rallies getting formed, we first need to be breaking above this downward sloping RSI trend line before then potentially continuing the trend back up, right? So that's going to be important to look at right now. And now I want to be talking a little bit about the most important moving average out there, the 1000-day moving average. This moving average has been historically telling us always, once it is a good buying zone for Bitcoin, always. Once we are trading below the 1000 daily moving average, it is historically a region where people usually are panicking at. It's a region where people do not see the light anymore. But it is historically true that those are the best buying opportunities out there in the market. And this is right now also for me a huge opportunity. I am loading up on Bitcoin, especially on my spot positions, guys, because yeah, Bitcoin can drop lower. I totally know that, but for me, it's just a large accumulation range where I'm currently in. And for me, I just want to be buying more and more and more as much as possible, basically, because it's going to be allowing me to be, of course, basically prepare myself for the next bull run. And personally, yeah, it could take maybe another, 2 weeks, maybe 5 weeks, maybe even 10 weeks that we're trading below of this 1,000 daily moving average. However, it is historically proven this is always a good range for accumulation for Bitcoin in the end of the day. Not straight away, because if you bought Bitcoin over here, yeah, it still went down a little bit here. It was not straight away the best buying opportunity, also over here. But in the end of the day, doesn't really matter if you bought Bitcoin on 4,000 or on 3,600. It doesn't really matter, right? So it's going to be on the bigger picture. And if you're accumulating right here, I personally think you're doing a very good accumulation on the bigger picture. Then also, thing I want to be pointing out, Bybit is currently entering a settlement agreement with the Ontario Security Commission, so with Canada. That is absolutely amazing what we're currently having. So yeah, Bybit is getting more and more regulations sorted out right now as well. And of course, if you are interested in trading, check out Bybit in the link in the description. They are currently offering you a $4,450 deposit bonus. And on top of that, they are going to give you 0% trading fees for the coming 30 days. So make sure to check out Bybit right now if you are interested in trading. More importantly, also, this guy over here is saying, time to welcome new Bitcoin whales. The average Bitcoin outflows from Coinbase hits a 9-year high. Average inflows are high as well. There is a lot of exchanges in... There are loads of exchanges in outflows from whales lately, but actually nothing changed on the Bitcoin reserve on all exchanges. Makes it very interesting. And he's pointing out on this picture right here, exchange outflow is skyrocketing. This always happens in these periods of extreme fear in the market, and it is always, typically speaking, a bottom signal. So take this in consideration right here as well. Also looking actually at the larger time frame addresses, right? So the number of Bitcoin addresses holding more than 10,000 Bitcoins on it, you can see the previous bear market, they dropped off, they were scared. But then in the bear market, they started to be accumulating once again. In the bull market, they distributed because, yeah, they are basically distributing into strength. And right now, we've been seeing a very strong accumulation behavior from these whales. And especially in these markets right here we're currently trading in, they have been accumulating in a very significant pace. So take this in consideration. Bitcoin whales are accumulating faster than ever seen before. And this is, of course, an extremely bullish development for the markets as well here. At the same time, I want to be pointing out what I currently think on Ethereum. Currently, if I'm looking to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin pair, you can clearly see previous support flipping into resistance. This is probably going to go down furthermore, because if I'm zooming out here, let me zoom out correctly, we are clearly in a downtrend, and usually these trends only are going to be reversing if we do break above a critical level of resistance, right? So if we break above this level, the 0.06, I personally think, yeah, there could be some more upside to come. But yeah, you can clearly see also on the weekly time frame. We are currently retesting weekly support. We fell below weekly support, currently retesting it. It's probably going to lead towards more blood on the market. So, no, I am not a huge fan on buying Ethereum right now. However, I am mainly stacking up on my Bitcoin positions. So, guys, this was already it for today's update video. I hope you guys truly enjoyed. If you did enjoy it, make sure to smash up the like button. And hopefully I can see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.